In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to resize an image by dragging its handles and by entering precise dimensions in the right-hand panel so you can work quickly and keep your designs clean. First, open your browser and go to Figma's website. Once you're in the workspace, you'll land on your Files area. Look for the All Projects view so you can see everything in one place. This is a great way to keep organized, especially if you work across multiple files or teams. Next, pick the project you want to work on and open it. When the file loads, navigate to the canvas where your image lives. Click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles at the corners and sides. If the image is inside a group or frame, you may need to double-click or use the Layers panel to get to the actual image layer. To resize visually, hover over one of the corner handles and drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Dragging from a corner keeps your proportions consistent. If you ever notice the image stretching oddly, hold the Shift key to constrain the aspect ratio while you drag. Need the image to grow from the center? Hold the Alt or Option key as you drag a corner so it expands evenly in all directions. Release the mouse when the size looks right. If you want exact measurements, use the right-hand panel. With the image still selected, look at the design section and find the width and height fields. You can type a precise value like 800 for width and press Enter. If you want the height to adjust automatically to maintain the same proportions, make sure the little chain icon between width and height is linked. If you need independent control, click the chain to unlink and enter custom values for each. Remember, you can use arrow keys to nudge numbers up or down and hold Shift to adjust in larger increments. A few quick tips as you work: keep an eye on the pixel preview at the top to ensure you're at a comfortable zoom level for accuracy. If the image sits inside a frame with constraints or auto layout, resizing the frame may influence the image, so it's best to select the image layer itself when your goal is to resize just the image. That's it. You've opened your project, selected the image, resized it by dragging the corner, and fine-tuned the exact dimensions from the right-hand panel. Save your file, and you're done.